Welcome to Tanglin Regency, a serene residential enclave nestled in the heart of Singapore's prestigious Tanglin district. Fancy coming home to a District 10 condo unit, close to town and good schools? Look no further, as we would love to share more about this ground floor unit with plenty of natural light. Being a ground floor unit with a high 3-meter ceiling, it gives a luxurious landed property feel too. The owner has also replaced the original flooring with exquisite marble tiles. Now the unit itself is 969 square feet in size, housing 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There's also a spacious patio, perfect for entertaining or relaxing after a long week. Now even though it is a ground floor unit, it is also very windy, making it a very well ventilated place. If you travel regularly, there is ample storage for luggage and other bulky items. This is very important, as you won't need to rent extra space outside. If you like to cook, the kitchen is a cozy, well-lit space. The kitchen is complete with a gas stove, oven, and a spacious bench for food preparation. It can easily fit 3 adults at a time. There is also plenty of storage space for ingredients, condiments, as well as your cooking utensils. Last but not least, the kitchen area is separated from the laundry area. The master bedroom is generously sized and can fit a king-sized bed. Wardrobe space is plentiful, making it perfect for those with many clothes and accessories. There's an ensuite bathroom with a ledge in the shower area for those wanting to sit after a long day at work. The second bedroom can be used as a guest room or even a study. Again, storage space here is sufficient and the common bathroom is complete with good quality fixtures. So for those who like a clean, minimalist look, this unit is perfect for you. The storage space is also complete for shoes, books, and other bulky items. If there's anyone wishing to renovate, this is also a great canvas to start with. Onto transportation accessibility, Tanglin Regency is strategically located, offering seamless connectivity. It's just a short 300-meter walk from Redhill MRT, linking residents to the east-west line. Major roads, such as Tanglin Road and Alexandra Road, provide easy access to the CBD and beyond. If you work in the CBD, buses 186 and 970 reach the CBD in 15 to 20 minutes in good traffic. If you need to go to Orchard or even Hougang, buses 111 and 132 can take you there directly as well. The Alexandra PCN or Park Connector is another great way to keep fit, either by cycling, jogging, or just having a casual stroll. It also connects to Robertson Quay, Clark Quay, and all the way to Marina Bay Sands if you're feeling more adventurous. For shopping and dining, residents are spoilt for choice. Explore Tanglin Mall for boutique shopping or Dempsey Hill, a lifestyle destination offering a variety of upscale restaurants and cafes. The renowned Orchard Road shopping belt is also just minutes away. Nature enthusiasts will appreciate the proximity to the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site established in 1859, offering over 82 hectares of lush landscapes and diverse flora. Additionally, the nearby Alexandra Canal has been transformed into a recreational space with scenic walkways and educational features. Families will find esteemed educational institutions nearby such as Alexandra Primary School, Gan Eng Seng Primary School, and Crescent Girls School, all within a 1-kilometer radius of Tanglin Regency. There are also several international schools. For healthcare needs, Gleneagles Hospital, a premier private medical facility, is conveniently located along Napier Road. Combining tranquility with urban convenience, Tanglin Regency offers an exceptional living experience in one of Singapore's most sought-after neighbourhoods, which is District 10. For those who are interested, please contact Serina from OrangeTee AAG on 9661 3818.